My name is Kimberly Cook. I am the Education Outreach Assistant for the Indiana Geological and Water Survey, and I'm also a graduate student in the paleontology collections. We chose a few of our fossils from the IGWS teaching collection and a few of them from here in the Indiana University Paleo collections. And we used a laser scanner to scan the fossils, and we created 3D models and then sent them to the Wells Library Print Lab. I think that what we've done is really unique because no one else has used 3D prints to teach fossil identification. Because if they know that you've scanned a real specimen with a real catalog number, real identification, it was part of a research project, and they're holding it in their hands and they can interact with it and everything, it makes a larger impact on their understanding of the importance of natural history collections.